We're building like this.
You built them like this.
Yes.
But then you couldn't like maybe make a wall, something like this to privatize the toilet.
Okay, I understand now. Yeah. Okay.
You understood last time. You said the same thing last time.
No, not me.
And your toilet.
I think it's the
Maybe
owner.
it's the other guy. But then you guys never listen anyway, friend. It's the same situation on this side. You have toilets in your storage. And your
The
toilets are
toilets
not
have
very...
leaking. Just look at that bin. That bin. It's wide open.
You guys are bathing here.
No, there's somebody. My guys was taking water from here
Where do you
to
park?
clean the
Where do you take your showers?
What are those jars,
No.
jars for?
guys, the workers.
No. There's a...
Just look at that.
But for the workers.
This
Oh,
is
to
a
bath
bathroom.
here.
No.
To do what?
No, I'm telling you, I'm not asking. This is a bathroom.
Okay, it's fine.
I'm telling you.
Okay.
My friend, I think you need a pen and a paper so that you can jot down the things that we're recommending.
No, this is Msheli Nango.
Okay.
And another thing, you're supposed to leave 0.5 meters between your stove and
0.5 meter.
0.5 meters.
Here, only 1 meter.
This is not even
The,
1 meter.
only 1 meter.
And what is this?
No, I mean from itself to there only 1 meter, which means only half.
So, your stove is supposed to be ending here.
Okay.
Nothing more than that.
Okay.
So it's the same situation for your whole